Hi guys, in this video we are gonna cover the basic data cleaning functions. So let's get started with the trim function. Trim function removes spaces from text. So it is just a trim function, trim, and we just make a cell reference where we have a data and it removes the spaces. We have another function, proper, which makes the first letter capital and the other letters lowercase for each word in a cell. So proper, and make a cell reference to A2 that we have a data, and it makes our text proper. You see the first letters are uppercase and the other letters are lowercase. Also, we can use them together by just typing trim and then typing proper and make a cell reference to our data cell, and we have this. So here we have spaces, here we have spaces and different case, upper and lower cases. Here we do not have spaces. Here we have spaces, but our text is proper. Here we have a text with a proper setting and without spaces. So just highlight these three cells and copy over by dragging like this, and we have this data and it becomes like this, which makes sense. So this is the basic idea of data cleaning. Also, we have other functions like len function, which returns the number of characters in a text. For instance, we have this data in this cell A7. By using len function, okay, I can make a cell reference. I can learn the number of characters or letters in this text. So we have 15 characters in this cell. So grab the corner and drag all the way down. So we have 12 for this one and we have 34 for this one. As you can see, the first 9 characters of this data in those cells is total underscore of underscore, and sometimes we may want to remove that type of repeating wordings in from our texts. So okay, first do the following: come to cell C7 equals sign and call our let function. Let function returns a specified number of characters in a text or in a cell starting at the left part of the text. So first we need to make a cell reference, which we have a data or text. Then we specify a number. Since we know that in total underscore of underscore we have 9 characters, you can count like total is 5, 2 underscores 7, and of 2 we have 9 characters. If I put 9 here, the Excel will show the first 9 characters of this cell beginning from left to right, which is this. Grab the corner and drag all the way down. As you can see, these are the texts which is repeating in every cell. So now by using this len and let function and write function, we can remove this total underscore of underscore, we're gonna do the following. Right, we're gonna use right function. Right function similarly returns the number of characters in a cell, but starting from the right part of the text. So for instance, for this data, if I start from the right, and if we wanna write, if we wanna show the Tulane, I need to select this cell and type 6. Okay, but we are not gonna do that because we want to automate this 6. Instead of that, by using len function, I can obtain this 6 in an automated manner. So I'm gonna use len function, len. So which is the number of characters in the cell, which is 15, minus, since we want to remove the first 9 characters, I can do the following. Len function and this. So the len function of A7 is gonna be 15, and len function for C7 will be 9. 15 minus 9 equals to 6, and the first 6 characters in this cell will be Tulane. And since we automate this by using len functions, when I grab the corner and drag all the way down, you see the functions are changing, but the idea is the same. Now for this function, it is doing exactly the same thing, but this time 12 minus 9, which is 3, and the first 3 letters beginning from the right is USL or LSU. So we have this. Okay, this is the idea. We have another function, value. Okay, let's show also from here. And value converts a text format to a number. And so this function will be helpful when Excel stores numbers as a text. So for this one, for instance, you can see this is a function, but it is showing its format, but I need some result. So come to cell B13 equals to call the value function and make a cell reference to that cell. Now this is a text format and this is a value format. As you can see, we cannot differentiate this easily, but we know this is the text format. Now this is the data format, number format. Okay, drag all the way down. That's okay, but what happens? We have another value error. So it means that this is the text format and I cannot convert to the built-in function format. So we need to write our function from scratch like this, and I'm gonna sum this range and enter. Now we have our function, and this is the result of this function. Thanks for watching.